I stayed in the village for over a week, learning basic farming skills such as how to milk a cow and much more. All in this episode of Everyday Bob. I'll be weighing each activity's level of difficulty from a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is the easiest and 10 is the most difficult. Please don't forget to subscribe to the video. It helps my channel reach other people who might enjoy my content. Let's get into the video. Milking a cow. There are 4 main steps to milking a cow. First is cleaning the udder. Second, checking if the milk is okay. Third is actually milking the cow. And lastly but not least, filtering the milk.
No, right. Slap his Andrew.
Though milking a cow might be tricky at first, it is by far one of the easiest things I did on this list. Also requiring the least amount of skill. So for that, I'll give it a 2 out of 10. Woo! Shearing a sheep. Now the reason we had for shearing this particular sheep is because it was hot. It is currently summer and it is hot as hell right now. We ended up giving the sheep a fade to limit the risk of it getting harmed. I'd give sheep shearing an 8 out of 10. Subcutaneous cow injection. I had the most trouble giving cows subcutaneous injections. This type of injection goes under the skin of the cow at an angle instead of directly into the muscle. The reason I had the most trouble with this one is because I do not like needles. The clash in chemistry between me and needles led to me not even getting through a single cow. But luckily, my dad was there to take care of it. Since the main thing that restricted me from doing this was my fear of needles, I'm gonna give this a 9.8 out of 10. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I had a lot of fun doing research and actively doing the work in the farm. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a like to the video. Subscribe for more. This is your everyday